The Caribbean Night. This drink is either going to be amazing or disgusting. I don't think there's really an in-between. It's the drink that combines Jagermeister and some rum, in this case, Captain Morgan. This is private stock, so really dying to see what this tastes like. You know, I haven't gotten to use Jaeger in a while, so it could be surprisingly well like the Jagerita, or just something you want to dump out, but I don't abuse alcohol here, so let's get started. Let's find out what it's like. So the first thing I do, obviously, take a glass, chill it. We're going to use that to pour it into when we're done. This drink is very simple to make. You want to start off with a shaker tin, and we're just going to put in equal parts. I'm using 1.5 ounces, equal parts of the Jagermeister first. And we're going to follow that up with the 1.5 ounces of Captain Morgan. I'm using private stock. If you just want to use a regular spiced rum, that's okay too. Finish that up with 3 ounces of the pineapple juice. And when you're done with that, it's time to put everything together and give it a really nice shake. Do you see that froth on the outside? Once you're at that point, it's time to strain it off into our cold glass. We're going to put fresh ice in there, and when you're done with that, garnish it with either a lime wheel, some fresh berries. You know, I have a pineapple and a few berries. Whatever suits your needs. Well, this certainly is a pretty looking drink. Let's see how it tastes overall. It's alright, it's not bad. That sounded weird. You know, it's not bad, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be disgusting, but it turned out pretty good. You know, you got that little Jaeger going on in there, the spice at the end. If you're into Jagermeister, I think you'll be into this. It's pretty solid. So if you like that drink and want to see even more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that like button. Thanks for watching this. Remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you.